Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas day. What is this, 4 or 5?
3.
No, I did 3 already.
4.
Look, I think it's 4. Oh, listen, this is another Vlogmas day. Where are we going?
But today's the 6th.
Where are we going?
Mama, wait.
I know today's the 6th. Look, I try to loud me up. What? Where are we going?
To see the Christmas trees.
No, we are going to Bryant Park.
I know.
Oh.
We're going to Bryant Park too.
Bryant Park, Winter Village. So you know they always do the lighting, the skating. It's so much to see. Well, yeah, if you're not in New York, then you don't know. But people in other from other states know that things go on here for the holidays. They just not here. Because everything is shown on TV and TikTok shows you everything. But Royalty has been wanting this rainbow grilled cheese that they sell at one of the village spots in Bryant Park. So we're gonna go there for that. I'm going for the hot cocoa.
Me too.
And and I want to see the skating, ice skating. I can't ice skate, but I want to see the tree. The tree is lit up. And yeah, so and in a few days we're gonna go see the light show with my mom, so stay tuned to that, the Saks Fifth Avenue light show. Yeah. So what? Oh gosh, this girl here. So right now we're just waiting for the bus, and let me tell you something, taking the bus is the best thing, because when you take the bus up and down Fifth Avenue, you get to see everything, like all the designer stores that are lit up and decorated. It just looks so nice. It's just a Christmas vibe. So yeah, we're on our way, and we will connect when we reach. Happy Vlogmas. Say happy Vlogmas.
Happy Vlogmas.
That is so
Are they here?
okay. Come on, we're here, boo-boo.
No, I'm talking about Kimar.
Oh, I just text them, but I don't know. So it's really crowded. Watch your step, boo-boo, okay? Watch your step. So it's very, very crowded. I probably won't get a lot because it's me and Royalty, and I have to hold on to her. But I'll try and show you as much as I can. Come on. Oh, little baby clothes. Honey grams, Joe coffee. Oh my god. Where is he? I didn't expect it to be like this, boo boo. Stop. Look how pretty. Oh, it's so crowded. It's actually, I don't know, it's way more crowded than I thought it was gonna be. And I only wanted to come at night because, come on, boo boo. I want to show Royalty the tree. And we also wanted to get the famous grilled cheese, but it looks like we have to come in a day for it because the lines are like insane. Huh? You're a little uncomfortable? Okay. So after the tree, you want to leave after we see it? But you say you're a little... Okay, I have to get you something to eat. And I'm not gonna stand on all of those, what you call it? The lines. Look, boo-boo.
I love it. It's so cute.
Streets spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe.
Yep, they fell. It's really nice here, but it is very crowded. I don't regret coming because at nighttime everything lights up, but like for her, the lines is a lot. But I'm gonna see what I can do. Now we're in H&M. This one's talking about she wanna see what they got. You just wanna see? Okay, it doesn't hurt. Oh, how cute. Different. Let's see. Oh, cute. Oh, Roycey, look. Roycey, look.
I look like a polar bear.
A polar bear. You're fine. She act like she don't like it. She love it. Where we end up? In Applebee's. I'm tired, right? Huh? So we ended up in Applebee's.
No, you have to do a guess.
What? Oh.
Guess where we're at. It starts with an A and a B.
A and a P.
I said B, not P.
Yeah, it's Apple. Oh yeah, you're right.
You said B.
I'm tired. You're right.
It kind of sounds like P.
So we are in.
Say it. Say it. We're in Applebee.
Applebee.
I said Applebee.
And I'm tired now.
Ooh, that was good, right? Mama.
It didn't work out. The day didn't work out the way we thought it was going to work out, but it's okay.
Tomorrow's another
Because we're here. Me and her are here together.
Our dad split up. They said we will meet, but we didn't.
Yeah, Greg ended up going to a dumpling spot.
Yeah.
With Mara. They never even made it this way towards Times Square.
Yeah, so we won, right?
It was so many people in Bryant Park.
Yeah, that we
Definitely
have
have to go.
at like something.
No, I gotta talk about this more when I get home. But I'm proud of myself because I was outside today. So was Royalty. Okay, so we're gonna get our food. Yeah. So the food came. Got some wings. Royalty busting them down. Look at her drink. Our food came. This is what it's looking like. We down nose. Show y'all. Royalty got the grilled cheeseburger. That looked good. And this, she's supposed to dip it in there, but I doubt she do that. This is done. I see we killed that. Right, boo-boo?
want to try?
You like it? You want to try a French fry? What?
Salt fruit. Salt fruit.
Why not eat your burger?
It's hot. Oh. It's not a burger, it's grilled cheese.
Yeah.
This is big, guys.
Alright, well, we're gonna finish eating. See y'all when we get